Right in the middle of our cathedral is the coat of arms of our former Archbishop Cardinal Chito Tagle. Ito pong pang-apat. Pagkatapos po ng misa, pwede niyo po siyang tignan. And he bore, well, up until now, the coat of arms or the motto that would symbolize his episcopal ministry with the words Dominus Est. The one that we heard today, the words from the beloved disciple, it is the Lord. Kahit po ba ito ay sa salitang Ingles ay 4 na salita lamang, alam niyo po, napakalalim po ng tinuturo nito at mensaheng pag-asa para po sa atin. Since the time when Jesus rose from the dead, that the apostles were in a very unstable situation. Magpapakita si Jesus sa kanila, maniniwala sila kay Jesus, mamaya mamamatay yung paniniwala nila kay Jesus at iikot muli ito sa ganitong pamamaraan. But the words of the beloved disciple to the apostles came as a message of assurance to them. Hindi nila makilala yung taong iyon. Baka ang nakikita nila multo na naman. Pero ang sinabi nung alagad ni Jesus ay siya ngayon. And if I can interpret these words in Tagalog, baka nga sinabi ni San Juan, si Jesus nga iyon. Siya nga ang hinahanap natin. Di ba ho kapag may tao pong sumasalubong sa inyo at medyo hindi nyo na po nakikilala, maybe someone beside you will say, yung anak mo lumalapit na sa iyo, yung kaibigan mo ayan, palapit na sa iyo, ayan yung asawa mo, ayan yung anak mo, ayan yung mahal mo sa buhay. When John expressed Dominus Est, it is the Lord, it was again a message of assurance to these men that indeed the one with them is the Lord whom they love. But you know, I do believe when John or the beloved disciple expressed, it is the Lord, it was also a message confirming God's concern and their dependence to the Lord. Prior to these words, Jesus was so concerned kung mayroon na pong nahuli ang mga alagad na ito. At alam niyo po, hindi ako magkakamali na baka ang tumatakbo sa isipan ng mga alagad na ito ay walang ibang makakaalam kung ano ang pinagdadaanan namin, kundi yung taong kilalang kilala kami. Walang ibang magtatanong sa amin kung may nahuli na ba kami, maliban sa taong alam kung ano ang pinagdadaanan namin. And to that catch, they also themselves said to their own, ito nga yung Panginoon na yon. It is the Lord. At dahil alam nila na ito yung taong ito na alam ang kanilang pangangailangan at alam kung ano ang gusto nila, nasabi nila na si Jesus nga iyon. Dominus Est were words that assured them God knows and never forgets what you need. In our daily life, my dear friends, when people would assure that God is near, and when people show their concern for you, there is the Lord. Buhay ang Panginoon. kapag mayroon pong nagpapalakas ng loob at umaalala po ng lubos sa bawat isa, Dominus est. It is the Lord, at buhay ang Panginoon sa taong iyon. These words, my dear friends, more than a praise or an acknowledgement, these words, Dominus est, assures that the Lord is just right beside us and the Lord never forgetting us.